Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know who I am, I go by One Cheap Compadre and you're watching One Cheap Compadre TV. So, today I'm going to be talking about Robinhood along with day trading and options. But before we do, let me start by saying on my channel, we talk about investing, saving, politics, story time that relates to everything, sums everything up, and when we talk about issues, it is something that is relating to what's been going on in the past few days. So the reason why I decided to talk about Robinhood and day trading and options is because of this young man who was 20 years old who decided to commit suicide because of what was shown to him in his account in Robinhood, that he was in the negative, in the red, $730,000. Now, I'm not going to talk so much about this young man and his reasoning behind committing suicide, but what I'm going to be talking about is certain things that could lead up to his demise and many others. Now, let me say that I'm not a financial advisor, but what I am is someone who's been investing for almost 14 years. And what I invest in is ETF dividend stocks, period. Now, you may see a lot of people on YouTube and many other social media that say they are dividend investors. But how could they say that when they only invest 10, 15, 20% of their money into dividend stocks? Where for me, I put in 100% of my money into dividend stocks. So, true essence, I am the true dividend investor who holds for a long period of time and only sticks to stocks that I have done extensive research on and stocks that I completely believe in. Now, the reason why I want to talk about Robinhood, the reason why I want to talk about day trading along with options, because the past couple of weeks, months, there's been a few errors and mistakes that's been happening with Robinhood. Now, the first error mistake I was able to observe was about a month and a half ago, when you had people who invest in Robinhood who ended up experiencing a glitch on the platform that led to many investors looking at their portfolio and seeing that they lost thousands of dollars, which they actually didn't. So that's the first mistake. Then we have this 20-year-old who does option trading, who had $16,000 in his account, but one day he decided to go into his account and he's seen in red that he was at a loss at $730,000. That's another error mistake by Robinhood. Now, don't get me wrong, Robinhood was the catalyst for no commission that led to other brokerage to eventually get on board with no commission, even though I'm pretty sure there's many other ways around that to get money out of their investors. But they are the catalyst, so I give them their kudos for that. But with these errors that constantly are being recognized, being put out in social media about Robinhood. My take on Robinhood right now would probably be to either wait till they fix the problem or to just leave Robinhood altogether. Because if this continues to happen, we're going to have more people like this if they don't actually be mindful of these errors. Okay? Day trading. We have a lot of novice, a lot of new people coming into the stock market where they believe that they are better than the one and only Oracle. Okay, Warren Buffett, where they believe that they are more savvy when it comes to investing in day trading and options. Well, I'm here to tell you that if you want to follow those trends of those new people who are getting in the market and saying that they're much better at investors than Warren Buffett, if you want to follow them, go right ahead. I'm not going to be one of those individuals who tell you not to take a risk, but I will tell you that there's nothing wrong with taking a risk. The problem is when you do something stupid. And what people are doing now, investing in day trading and options, this is something that is very dangerous, because this could lead to you losing money and owing money. And that's something that is one of my pet peeves. That's like my number one thing that I majority say on my website, on my YouTube channel, is the first thing you should do when you invest is invest with your money. So at the end of the day, even if you lose all your money, you don't owe anyone. Okay? These new investors, yeah, they receive stimulus checks. They're probably not working. They have time at home where they can invest. They have a little computer. They can put time and effort. But at the same time, you want to put yourself in a predicament where you owe people. You have to put time and effort trying to get money to pay these individuals off, because what you're doing is, if you're into day trading and options, you're a gambler. And me, I'm not a gambler. I'm a long-term investor, and I look for future gains. I don't look for the right now. I'm not trying to get rich quick. Okay, there's no such thing as that. Getting rich in one day and being a multi-millionaire. It doesn't happen. You see all these individuals popping up, talking about they have the strategy, they have the know-how, they are the ones with the cutting edge of getting money quick and making $2 to become 50 million, $100 million. All right. Remember, when you have times of crisis, this is where people use that as a leverage to take advantage of people, because in a time of need, people do things drastically where they don't think. And basically what these new people that are popping up on YouTube and all these social networks talking about, they have investing, have the science when it comes to investing, like they are the masters and they are the experts. Well, I'm here to tell you they're not the experts. They're just looking for someone to take advantage of, where they can make money off of and leave you without any money left for you to actually take care of yourself. So they're just in it to make money off of you. They're not in it to actually help you. On my channel, I'm here to help you, and I go step by step. I even show you my portfolio, how much I make, what's the purpose of my dividend portfolio, where I'm trying to be in a situation where I'm getting passive income that can help pay for my mortgage, or passive income that can be much more than what I make at a day-to-day job, where I don't have to feel like if I don't want to work, or I don't want to go in, I don't want to go to the business, that I don't have to because I'm already receiving money. That is more than enough, because at the end of the day, if you live within your means or below your means, you are able to live each month comfortable without stress. So, with that being said, you want to take risks, but you do not want to lose it all by being stupid. And if you decide to do day trading, you are doing more than just a risk. You are gambling, and you will lose, because the whole purpose of gambling is for the house to win, not for you. So if you like what I talked about in my video, then become a subscriber. If you already are, continue to watch my channel, share this with your friends, family, and other individuals, and make sure to hit that bell so you can keep up. So what do you guys think, YouTube? Do you think that Robinhood should change their platform where there's less mistakes happening, that's leading up to people feeling like they're being robbed and taken advantage of? Or should people just decide to leave Robinhood to a much better program, much better broker's account that is error free? You tell me at the comments down at the bottom. Okay? Have a great day.